Bebo, 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 be.
Ikaw ang aking
Bebo, 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 be.
Ikaw ang aking
Bebo, 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 be.
Ikaw ay
Filipino, 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 Filipino.
Hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ko. Ito ng tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pangbato, pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay pag kumain.
What's the best part about being a typewriter hunter, baby?
The money.
The money.
The
Yeah,
money.
it's all about the money.
It's all
eh?
about the money. I don't even like them.
Yeah, we don't even like them. We think they're lame.
Kakamay, yung kanin, chicken adobo. Yung balot binibenta sa kanto.